FLN remediation monthly focus competencies in English for grade 2, 3, 4, 5 class children. Importance of monthly focus competencies in primary classes for grades 1 to 5 classes. How to teach this to kids here? Monthly focus competencies are the key learning outcomes that students are expected to achieve each month. They help teachers ensure that every child develops foundational literacy and numeracy skills in a planned land systematic manner. In FLN, we should teach children in the following manner. In this, first one is listening comprehension for grade 2, 3, 4, 5 children, classes children in June month should be completed. Listening comprehension is best ways to improve listening comprehension: read stories aloud and ask questions, encourage active listening during classroom discussions, use songs, rhymes, and storytelling, give simple listening tasks and follow up activities, play educational audio recordings, and ask students to summarize what they heard in the classroom. The second one is identification of letters and sounds for grade 2, 3, 4, 5 class children should be complete in month of June and July. It is very important. Identification of letters and sounds A to Z means alphabet. It is main important for English learning. Identification of letters and sounds is the first step in learning to read and write. Strong letter sound knowledge helps children develop phonics, reading fluency, writing skills, and overall academic success. It forms the essential foundation for lifelong literacy for learning English. Ways to develop letter and sound identification here is there. Teach one letter and its sound at a time. Use alphabet songs, rhymes, and flashcards. Play letter matching and sound games. Read picture books and encourage children to identify letters and sounds. It is a very important way. Provide regular practice through fun classroom activities for children. The another one is decoding words, word families for grade 2, 3, 4, 5 classes in month of August and September should be completed. In the one, sound it out. Next, blend the sounds and read the word. Next, read the words. Decoding through word families. What is decoding? Decoding is the process of using knowledge of letter sound relationships, phonics, to read written words correctly. It involves recognizing letters, blending their sounds, and pronouncing the word. It is very, very important. uh, for example, cat, sun. It is here is just two examples. When children can decode words, they are able to read unfamiliar words independently. Then they learn English. What are word families? Here are some word families here there. Word families are group of words that have the same ending pattern but different beginning letters or sounds. Look here. Example at cat, bat, hat, rat, mat, hand, can, fan, man, fan, van, ig, pig, big, dig, fig, wig. Learning one word family help children read many related words easily. It is very easy. Decoding through word families is an effective strategy for early literacy to help children recognize word patterns, read unfamiliar words confidently, improve and become fluent readers, mastering word frame, a strong foundation for lifelong reading and success. Another one, theme based vocabulary, animals, birds, vehicles, and actions for grade 2 children in the month of October. It should be complete. Theme based vocabulary, place, plant, school, action words for grade 3, 4, 5 class children in the month of October. It should be complete. Theme based vocabulary, here is one theme: fruits, apple, banana, mango, grapes, pomegranate, watermelon. Here is some fruits. Theme based vocabulary, family, rain, parts of the body, games, vegetables, school, and praises related to actions great to children in November month. Theme based vocabulary, professions, animals, birds, family, food, adjectives, and plural forms for grade 3, 4, 5 class children in month of November. Decoding through thematic vocabulary. What is this? What is it? Decoding through thematic vocabulary is a teaching approach in which children learn to read and decode words that are related to common themes such as animals, food, school, family, hair, transports. Since the words are connected by meaning, children can use both phonics and context to recognize and read them more easily. For examples, animals, cat, bat, rat, dog, cow, skull, book, pen, bag, desk, teacher. Fruits, mango, apple, grape, banana, etc. Why is it important? Improve word recognition and decoding skills. Strengthens phonics by practicing similar sound patterns. Expands vocabulary in a meaningful context. Improves reading fluency and comprehension. Help children remember new words more easily. Builds confidence in independent reading also. In this classroom, activities are there. Theme based word cards, picture word matching, read and short words, by theme word hunts in storybooks, simple sentences using thematic words, theme based games, and flashcards. Reading simple sentences for grade 2, 3, 4, 5 classes children in month of December and January. Reading simple sentences. This is foundation of the reading. The sun is bright. Have a red bag. Reading simple sentences. Why is it important for children to learn English? Read sentences. Reading simple sentences is an important step in developing children's reading ability because it helps them move from reading individual words to understanding complete ideas. Importance: develop reading fluency by helping children read smoothly and accurately. Improves comprehension as children understand the meaning of complete sentence. Strengthens vocabulary by learning words in meaningful contexts. Builds confidence in reading independently. Enhance grammar awareness through exposure to correct sentence structures. The last one is picture based sentence writing for grade 2, 3, 4, 5 class children in the month of March should be complete this. Importance of picture based word and sentence writing. In this picture, see, think, write, and learn. Importance of picture based word and sentence writing for primary classes 1 to 5. It is very important and final situation. Classroom focus. So a clear and familiar picture. Ask students to identify objects and actions in the picture. Encourage them to write related words first. Guide them to form simple sentences using those words. Provide positive feedback and correct errors gently. Use different themes: family, school, animals, fruits, vegetables, etc. to build vocabulary and writing skills. Learning outcomes. Students gradually progress from writing single words to meaningful sentences, improving their vocabulary, grammar, creativity, and overall communication skills. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for everyone.